गाइस एक पंगा हो गया है।
I felt nauseous.
Mommy, look at this.
Oh my god.
The seat is too hot.
It's a baby. It doesn't look like one.
The water is cold, really cold.
Wiggly woggly, wiggly woggly. जाओ कुछ जाओ।
So now guys, it's the 7th day. We are going to Fifi Island, you can see. We have to follow her. Right now we're going on for the check-in. We have to go on the boat right now.
Eddie is writing details for me for the very first time ever. Wow.
To write separately for everyone or one for the
Yes,
family?
everyone.
Oh. Fish Kishri. Superb, Eddie. Superb. Keep it up.
Because when I check your number. Yeah, number 1 up to number 9. Okay. All right, everyone. So before we start the tour, I will let you brief you about the program today. This is our program for today, Fifi Island.
So guys, now we are going to the boat. You can see. So guys, we're going on this boat. Speed boat. Whoa.
Addie is with her tube, which she calls donut. Yeah, see your size.
Look one.
Yeah, this is for you.
For kids.
So guys, we have started here.
We have reached on the island. We can only click photos, nothing else.
Frankly speaking, I felt nauseous. So because हम speed boat से आए. So from here we have to walk to the Maya Bay. There we'll meet others like our group. There is a long queue. I don't know why. So guys, this is Maya Bay. I'll give you the closer look as well. Right now, as I was feeling nauseous and not feeling well, so we have this coconut, that too. Drew brought it from there itself, where we started from. So first we're gonna have it.
Drink, beta, drink. So that you should hydrate it.
After this, we'll go near the beach. So guys, this is Maya Bay. As you can see, that red flag today. So because of that, I mean not because of that, as the red flag is there, it means we cannot swim. So you see no one is swimming here. This is our Maya Bay. How is that? You need to tell me.
So now we are done with Maya Bay.
Yeah, we're going back to the boat so that we can go to the other one.
So our boat is that. Let's get inside.
We are in another island. We can swim.
Lagoon. It's a lagoon.
Filet Lagoon.
Filet Lagoon. Filet Lagoon.
So we will swim.
Yeah. And now we are just going to swim. I was super scared before this point. It was like this. Oh my god. Eddie, are you going to jump? तो गाइस एक पंगा हो गया है। पंगा ये हो गया है कि हमें जाना था फुकेट और यहाँ से डायरेक्ट हम जा सकते हैं, यानी आओ नाम से। आई मीन ये
This time I will jump and snorkel.
ओके बेटा,
But you
Because
don't.
I did.
इसे करना है स्नॉर्कलिंग। यस
Daddy, this you don't hold me.
ओके।
While jumping, you have you
Madam,
jump and I.
You don't know about problem. Yeah, she is not aware of the problem.
I jumped.
Wait, I said.
अरे वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं भाई, होटल नहीं बुक है हमारा। होटल हमारे पास ना होटल है, ना गाड़ी जाएगी, ना फिर ये क्या जाएगा, बोट जाएगी फुकेट। हम फुकेट कैसे जाए? पता नहीं, इन लोगों को प्रॉब्लम से कोई मतलब ही नहीं है। स्नॉर्कलिंग करना बस, जाओ कर। Go, 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 Eddie, go.
Fine, it's loose.
Yeah, go. Come on, go, 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 go. Go. Go, I'm here only. Go. Go, beta, go. It's okay. Sing. You will sing, beta. See.
Okay, jumpเลย
Go, 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 go. Brave girl. Very good. Go, go. It's okay. Go. Go, beta. Yeah, go, go. Go like that. Very nice. Very nice. Superb. Very nice. Go, go. It's okay. Go. Go, go, Kanchan. Go, go. Go, beta, go. Jump. Yeah, jump. Go, Kanchan. Good job. Kanchan, go that side. Kanchan, that's the safer area. Oh, कंचन चली गई एडी के पास. It's okay. क्या नज़ारा है यार, वाओ. Awesome. Eddie. Eddie, this one, this one. Come.
So, now we are not in Fifi Island. We have come back to the hotel. We've come back to the hotel. I changed my clothes. Everyone changed their clothes. And we are gonna go to Phuket now. By a bus, car or anything. But we're going to Phuket now. So guys, today is the 8th day. We're going to Lionland. Then we will go. Actually, it's a half day already. It's 12 or 1. Actually, we wanted to rest a bit, like not a bit, a half day, because we were exhausted from all those 7 days. So guys, now Daddy will tell where we are going to go. Daddy, first we will go to Lionland.
You tell me, Lionland, Tiger Park or Tiger Kingdom?
Tiger Park, Tiger Kingdom, Lionland. Okay?
Okay.
Are we going anywhere else after that?
Elephant?
Elephant, okay. These are photos of people holding, touching big lions. I want to hold a tiny one. Look like this! Mommy! Look at this! We will feed it to the bottle. Oh wow. Guys, now we are leaving from Lionland because, we won't do Lionland now. We'll do Tiger Park because Lionland is too costly.
We are going to near Chalong Circle.
So we're going to Tiger Park or maybe Tiger Kingdom.
No.
But we're not going to do anything in Lionland. It's too costly. We have reached in Tiger Park. Okay, I cannot sit because the seat is too hot. Ouchie. Because of the food that was kept. So you can see this Tiger Park. Guys, you can see there's a man with a tiger in its hand. You can see. Right now we're not in. But right now we're still at the ticket counter. Guys, so now we are going inside. So guys, there is a play with tiger sign.
Hello, Mr. Tiger. Before going inside, we have to wash our hands.
This one inside, only behind, touch firm. Photo, video, no flash. Follow staff, don't walk alone. Inside, no running, no shouting.
Are you excited, Eddie?
Yes,
How much?
very much.
Let me show you the tiger.
This one you can touch only back side, back middle, back head only. Don't touch
You touch tiger strong. You stand up, please. Stand up.
What's the experience, Eddie?
Nice but funny.
Funny or scary?
It's a baby. It doesn't look like that.
डर सा लग रहा है यार एकदम. Yes. भैया बच्चा बाबू है कंचन. टेल पकड़ लूं. टेल पकड़ लूं. ओके. Oh, baby one. How much old is this?
3 months.
Eddie. How are you feeling, Eddie?
This baby one is cuter.
It was. This is nice, right?
बात कर रहे हैं दूसरे से.
Daddy, they want to fight.
They want to fight?
Yes, they are
With who?
with each other.
There is one sleeping over there.
There is one walking over there. So we are done.
So guys, Eddie अभी सो रही है. Here she is. और we are on the way. बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत अच्छा लगा. Kanchan is also sleeping. So that's it. So आज का ब्लॉग यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है. And it was fun. बहुत अच्छा लगा. अगली बार टाइगर पार्क जब जाएंगे तो पहले से टिकट बुक करेंगे, ताकि हम जो एकदम बिल्कुल नवजात शिशु होता है ना, एकदम बिल्कुल छोटा बच्चा, so that we can play with them as well. So what I'm just taking here for myself is कि I will book the tickets beforehand for infant cubs, lion cubs or tiger cubs, so that Eddie can enjoy more. Okay, so let's see you in the next vlog. Bye bye, take care.